Hello, my name is Danny Hopkins and I'm editor of Practical Classics magazine, and today I'm on a very special mission. Every year in the magazine we run about 30 or so restoration stories, tales of endeavour, men and women who use their own money and their own time in their own sheds to create things of extraordinary beauty. And at the end of the year we get those stories together and we ask you, that's the readers of Practical Classics magazine and the customers in 2020 of Lancaster Insurance, to vote for their favourite restoration story. Now, obviously, this year we haven't been able to take those restorations through to the NEC because, unfortunately, COVID has got in the way. So we've kept the voting process open, we've asked you to vote for them online, and now we have a winner of the coveted Golden Spanner trophy. And he lives right here.
Hey, Danny! How are you?
Good to see you, mate. You got one of those?
Yeah, absolutely.
Keeping all right?
Danny, yeah.
Now, you knew that I was coming down here today. The readers of Practical Classics and the customers of Lancaster Insurance have voted you Restorer of the Year, winner of the coveted Golden Spanner.
Oh
There you
no!
go,
Oh,
That's
Danny,
for you.
thank you so much.
Brilliant, mate. Well, look, I won't ask you to do a speech. Let's just go and have a look and show everybody at home as well. Let's go and have a look at the reason why you won that award.
Okay.
Come on. So, here she is, the fruits of Richard's labour. Obviously, it's an amazing fantasy. If you're going to be part of a fantasy, you've got to look the part. Isn't that true?
Absolutely, yes.
So you're dressed as Caractacus.
I am.
I'm dressed as his, I don't know, his home help mechanic. Where did it all start? How did it start?
It all started as a very, very small child sitting there in a chair in front of the television back in the 70s, watching Chitty Bang Bang, thinking, wow, you know, that's the person I want to be.
What was the first physical thing you did?
The first physical thing I did, I thought, I'd heard from somebody who was an immense help to me, and he was an absolutely wonderful person, and he said to me, if you haven't got your wheels, you haven't got your Chitty, because the wheels are such a visual part of Chitty.
They are.
You see, you've got a shiny bonnet, you've got the wooden body, but those big, huge red wheels are the big visual impact, you know, that go with the face of Chitty and make up the whole model.
Absolutely. And Chitty is now something you take around to shows and...
Yeah. No, I certainly do. I really enjoy it because people love it. Chitty is to be shared.
Yes.
You know, it was the most amazing film, and people love it. When people see it, the reaction from children, adults, everybody loves Chitty. So you just need to get the car out, share it with people. If it does good stuff, it raises money for good causes. Excellent.
Yes.
If it just brings a smile to somebody's face in that day, it's worth it.
How long did it take you, start to finish, to create this notebook?
I think the body itself probably took the longest as one whole part of the car. That really was about 7 months while doing the other bits, because it is so time consuming, because you've literally got to cut every one piece from the original pattern, then you have to fettle it to fit, then you have to attach the white strip. So all of that is very time consuming, so you've got to be getting on with your day job and the rest of the car while you're doing this. But it was unbelievably time consuming, very stressful.
Yes.
It's a very straight grained wood, and what you don't realise is you've got a virtually straight line to about here, and then the whole thing kicks right up to about here per strip. Now, you wouldn't believe it unless you saw it, and then you have to bring that right in to give you that gorgeous motor.
What was the last thing you put on the car?
That's a very good question. It was probably fitting the headlights. I gave it eyes, and it became a face, and it lit up, and that was it.
Well, then the next question is, do you want to make my face light up? Because I am itching to go for a little spin in this.
Yeah, why not?
Fantastic. Let's do it.